Okay, just gonna start a video on zippos. I recently started collecting zippos. My brother gave me a $50 gift certificate to Knife Guys one time, and I went and bought a zippo. Ah, it was sad. This was my first zippo. It's a cross, just a normal brass interior. Normal zippo too. See. Don't have any fluid in this one. But it works. And this is my last one I bought. It's American Heroes. It's fairly decent. I don't smoke. I just collect them. See, this one works. This one, I need flint in it, so it doesn't work. It's just a collector's item. This one's 08. This one's 10. This one's 10 as well. Now this one, it's an older one. It's J and then X5, which is 15. I don't know what that means. I think it's means that it's from the 1915. I don't know. If you could tell me, that'd be great. It's just J and then XV, which is, of course, 15. And this one... Whoa. I just lost the flint. Sorry. It's just kind of sad. But if you look at that, the depth on that one, it's cool, isn't it? Just... Yeah, see? The depth. I think I need to get that repaired, because look at that. It's... I just saw it whenever I started the video, actually. Or right before. Which doesn't give it that actual feel to it, see? Just kind of weird. That's how loose it is. I don't think it's supposed to do that. Well, that's it. Hope you'll enjoy it.